Australia, land of vast deserts, lush rainforests and stunning coastlines, home to some of the most unique animals on Earth. From kangaroos in the outback to the egg-laying platypus, Australia's wildlife is unlike anywhere else. Let's explore some of Australia's most iconic species. Join me as we venture into the heart of Australia to encounter these remarkable animals. These hopping marsupials are the quintessential symbol of Australia. There are over 50 species of kangaroos across the country, ranging from the large red kangaroo to the smaller antilopine kangaroo. Their powerful tails provide balance and power, propelling them across vast distances in search of food and water. Known for their distinctive hopping movement, kangaroos have evolved this energy-efficient gait to navigate the vast Australian landscape. The platypus is an enigma, seemingly assembled from parts of other animals. Found in rivers and lakes across eastern Australia, the platypus masters its aquatic environment. Its dense, waterproof fur keeps it warm, while its webbed feet propel it effortlessly. The platypus's bill is a sensory organ detecting electrical fields from its prey. From the misty, mountainous island of Tasmania comes a creature of both ferocity and vulnerability, the Tasmanian devil. This stocky, black-furred marsupial is known for its powerful jaws and ferocious feeding frenzy. They are primarily scavengers, feeding on carrion, but will also hunt small mammals, birds, and reptiles. Sadly, these iconic creatures are facing a significant threat: devil facial tumor disease, a contagious cancer that has decimated wild populations. Venturing into the dense rainforests of northeastern Australia, we encounter the formidable southern cassowary. This flightless bird, standing up to 6 feet tall, has glossy black plumage and a vibrant blue neck. Its powerful legs, ending in sharp claws, can deliver a formidable kick. Despite their appearance, cassowaries are shy and solitary, playing a vital role by dispersing seeds. On a handful of islands off Western Australia lives a creature whose infectious grin has charmed the world: the quokka. This small macropod is known for its rounded ears, short, furry tail, and a permanent smile. Quokkas are herbivores, feeding on grasses, leaves, and fruits, and are primarily nocturnal. Sadly, despite their endearing nature, quokkas face an uncertain future due to habitat loss and predation. Beneath the Australian soil lives a creature of surprising strength and remarkable resilience: the wombat. These muscular marsupials are masters of excavation, creating burrow systems that provide shelter from predators and extreme temperatures. Wombats emerge at night to graze on grasses, roots, and bark, their strong teeth and powerful jaws tackling tough vegetation. Their resilience in Australia's harsh conditions makes them a true symbol of the wilderness. In Australia's arid interior lives a creature perfectly adapted to survive: the thorny devil. This small lizard is a master of camouflage, blending with the red sand and rocky outcrops. Its spiky armor channels dew and rainwater to its mouth, providing moisture. When threatened, it inflates its body, appearing larger and more intimidating to predators. Deep within southeastern Australia's eucalyptus forests echoes the superb lyrebird song. This ground-dwelling bird is a master of vocal mimicry, imitating an astonishing range of sounds. The lyrebird's repertoire includes other birds, human activity, and even chainsaws. The male lyrebird uses its vocal prowess to attract a mate, performing elaborate displays on specially constructed mounds. As darkness descends upon the Australian bush, a small, furry creature emerges from its den, ready to take to the air: the sugar glider. This nocturnal marsupial is a marvel of aerial agility, gliding effortlessly through the trees. The sugar glider's secret lies in its patagium, a thin membrane of skin from its wrists to its ankles. These acrobatic creatures are highly social, living in colonies and communicating through chirps, hisses, and barks. In Australia's arid regions, a creature with long ears and a pointy nose digs for its dinner, the bilby. This nocturnal bandicoot is endangered, its numbers dwindling due to habitat loss and competition from introduced species. Bilbies are ecological engineers, their digging activities crucial for soil health and plant growth. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these vulnerable creatures, including predator-free enclosures. Across southwestern Australia's woodlands and forests, a small striped marsupial embarks on a daily feast, the numbat. This diurnal creature consumes up to 20,000 termites each day. Its slender body and powerful claws help it navigate termite tunnels and tear open mounds. Conservation efforts include predator control and numbat-proof fences to protect this vulnerable species. As darkness falls across the Australian landscape, a stealthy hunter with sharp claws and a spotted coat emerges, the quoll. These carnivorous marsupials are opportunistic predators feeding on insects, reptiles, birds, and small mammals. Quolls are agile climbers and skilled hunters, their sharp claws and teeth making them formidable predators. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these iconic Australian animals, including habitat restoration and predator control. In the forests, woodlands, and heathlands of Australia, a creature with a spiky coat and a long, sticky tongue searches for its next meal, the echidna. This egg-laying mammal is a fascinating example of evolutionary history, possessing a unique combination of reptilian and mammalian traits. Echidnas are adapted for digging and foraging, their strong claws and powerful limbs allowing them to excavate burrows and tear open ant and termite nests. Despite their prickly exterior, echidnas rely on burrowing and camouflage to avoid predators. As dawn breaks over the Australian bush, a distinctive call rings out, the laugh-like call of the kookaburra. This large kingfisher is a common sight throughout eastern Australia. Its raucous calls a characteristic sound of the bush. Kookaburras are highly territorial, their calls serving to advertise their presence and deter rivals. They are skilled hunters, feeding on insects, reptiles, small mammals, and even other birds. Our journey through Australia's animals takes a somber turn as we remember a creature now sadly extinct, the Tasmanian tiger, or thylacine. This enigmatic marsupial was once the largest carnivorous marsupial in Australia. The thylacine's extinction is a stark reminder of human impact on the natural world. While the thylacine may be gone, its memory continues to captivate. Australia is a land of marvels, home to creatures that defy expectations and captivate our imagination. From the resilient kangaroo to the elusive quoll, these endemic animals remind us of the incredible diversity of life that thrives on this continent. The journey through Australia's wilds is a celebration of nature's creativity, resilience, and beauty. Thank you for joining us on this wildlife adventure.